Starting out on a journey, never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly